Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam Bag for May 2023, and I have taken the items out of the bag, and I also received this monthly. I paid for it, and yeah, I'll put the price in the description box below. And yes, let's just get started. This is what the bag looks like. And I just wanted to show you the little tab. It says Ipsy. And now I'm going to show you what came in there. The little card, which doesn't list the items or the prices, so I'm just doing it as I go. It says here, ahead of the pack. And yeah, that's all I'm going to show. Here is the front. Now, the first item is Briogeo, and it says Don't Despair Repair. And it says here a deep condition mask, and this is for the hair. The next item that I received is called, oh, you can't see it, it says here, it says here, Sweet Street. And I think this is a lip gloss, but I'll put it in the description, whether it's a lip gloss or eyeshadow. So yeah, this is what this looks like. And I'm not opening it because I'm tending to give this to somebody. And that's that. The next item is called Aceology, and it says Brightening Treatment Mask. And let me just check on the back here. And yeah, this is for the skin. The next item that I received is called Refreshment Brilliant Body Bar, and it's in citrus, and it's a soap. I'm gonna take the soap out. I don't particularly like the smell, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just stick this right here. And the last item excuse me, the last item that I received is Ciate. Yeah, Ciate, and it has London, and it's a velvet skin, and it says it's a cream blush. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put some on me so you can see on my hand what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it here. This is what it looks like. And again, this is it. This is a sample size, so yeah. And those are all the products that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for May 2023. Please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And again, I want to thank you for watching. Goodbye.